Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you where you can find information about the last modification date of your diagrams on Google Drawings. So let us get started. So let's assume, for instance, guys, you have given access to your diagram on Google Drawings to a co-editor, and now you'd like to check when the last modification has been applied. To do that, navigate to your diagram on Google Drawings, select File in the top left, and here navigate to Details. And here we see the document details, including the location on Google Drive, for example, specific folder, the owner of the given file, the modification date, and you will see also by whom. So if you're logged in with your account, you will see that it has been or was modified by you. Here with the date and time and the creation date below. That's how it works, guys. The other option would be to, for instance, if you'd like to check previous edits and changes, to navigate to the edit history here. As you can see, the last edit was made seconds ago, so that you may follow these edits back into the past and restore previous versions if needed. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.